Hey everyone! Did you see Tom Cruise's jaw-dropping stunt at the Olympics closing ceremony? If you missed it, you're in for a treat because we are diving into all the thrilling details. Alright, let's talk about the man himself, Tom Cruise. He's a legendary actor known for pushing the limits with his daredevil stunts in films like Mission Impossible. And this time, he took his talent to the grand stage of the Olympics, leaving the massive crowd completely in awe. You won't believe how he pulled it off. Now, imagine standing in front of thousands of spectators, all eyes on you, and the world watching live. That's a lot of pressure. Pulling off a death-defying stunt at such a globally viewed event is no easy feat. The stakes were incredibly high. One small mistake could lead to disaster, and the pressure must have been intense for Tom and his team. But hey, that's just another day in the life of Tom Cruise, right? He thrives under pressure, and that's what makes him a true action star. So, let's get into the nitty-gritty of what went down behind the scenes. There was a ton of planning and preparation that went into this stunt. Tom's stunt team spent weeks, if not months, choreographing every single movement. They meticulously calculated safety measures, making sure everything was foolproof. Imagine the countless hours of practice, the adjustments, and the rehearsals, all to ensure that when the moment came, it would be nothing short of spectacular. The team even brought in experts to analyze every angle and every possible risk. It's a whole operation just to make sure Tom could do what he does best. And then came the moment we've all been waiting for. Tom Cruise executed the stunt flawlessly, soaring through the air and landing perfectly, and the crowd erupted with cheers. You could feel the exhilaration radiating from the stands as everyone witnessed this incredible feat. People were on their feet, phones out, capturing the moment. It was electric. The energy in the stadium was off the charts, and it was clear that Tom had once again proven why he's one of the greatest in the game. To wrap things up, Tom Cruise's stunt at the Olympics closing ceremony was more than just a performance. It showcased his unwavering dedication to his craft and left a lasting impression on the audience. The way he connected with the crowd was something truly special, and it reminded us all why we love watching him do what he does best. So, what do you think? What's your favorite Tom Cruise stunt? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Catch you next time.